Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and I am back with a flip through of my B6TN for the month of February, March and April, sorry. So here we are. I've put it back in my B6 for this. I've actually moved into my new one, but yeah. So here we are. This is the first week. This kit was from Plannerface. As I always have to say, with Plannerface, I do get a discount on her stickers for PRing for her. She's my favourite shop though. As you'll see as we flip through this, I do use mostly her kits. All the overlays are from my shop, Tilly Journals, I'll link down below. So yeah, I love this kit. It was a re-release of a kit on Black Friday and I adore it so much. So I was still using daily checklists here, but I don't think I do that. I think I do that all the way through this one actually. I hated how I did this weekend banner, but oh well. So yeah, that was that one. This is the Ugly kit by Strawberry Lime Designs. It is definitely not ugly. I pulled out a lot of the green into this week and did a lot of the blue in my other kit. I'm not sure I'm in love with how this note page came out, but that's fine. The rest of this I adore, like, so much. I don't know how she can call this kit ugly. It's actually stunning. I love it. So yeah, washi weekend banner, and I like it. This was a great week as well. I went out 2 nights in a row, which never happens, and stuff like that. Yeah, it was just a really good week, and then yeah, I just did so much. On to the next week. This is a kit by Plannerface again. I can't remember what it's called, but this is still available in the shop. This was the first time I tried this magic, which is layering a colourful and clear overlay with one of my clear overlays, and it looks amazing. I love it so much. These are again foil overlays from my shop. These foil overlays were also from my shop. Shocking, that one. Silver foil again, beautiful fox and cactus washi. I love this artwork so much, and I think it goes perfectly with my overlays. So yeah, that's that week again by Plannerface. This is a week called Away with the Fairies. I got this at the big meet because I loved the catness, as in the cats in it. It's not my favourite week. I didn't like the paper. It felt messy. It didn't do it for me. No, that's fine, but yeah, there just weren't enough boxes and things, and I just think it looks really messy. But oh well, that's fine. This was the last week before Vader, and this is the first week of Vader, and we're back to Plannerface kits. Literally every other week is a Plannerface kit. This is how much I love her stickers. And again, I love how this came out. It's a different cat kit, but this one is stunning. This kit was coming out. I don't think it's in the shop anymore. This is just in regular matte. Again, the overlays are all mine. What happened this week? I think it was St. Crooks week. That was a good week. We felt really stressed at St. Crooks. I think my dad wasn't there for the first time ever, and it kind of stressed us out a little bit. Yeah, we got our first Hello Fresh, and it was amazing. Yeah, this still doesn't have to say anything, but this was that my sister's pregnant. She had her scan. I can write that in finally, so I don't have to worry about not telling people. Memory notes there, and then we have the week of my birthday. I love this kit, but I had a rubbish week. I was working over the weekend on my birthday. I turned 25 and I just felt rubbish. But my sister told people that she was pregnant on this day, but not enough people that I could then announce it on my channel, because my brother-in-law, her husband's family, didn't know yet, because they'd tried to go the next week and she'd been being difficult about it. Not realising they were going to tell them the news, but yeah. Anyway, I used just normal overlays in this week. Did I only use like 2 full boxes? 3 full boxes. But I just used like the confetti ones. And yeah, I love this kit. I love how it came out, but rubbish week. I love kits where it's like one colour. I think they're like my favourite, when it's just like overwhelmingly one colour. Again, another kit I did love. It was a bit no white spacey for me. The only white space is really in these lists. I probably could have used this over 2 weeks, but I didn't, and I kind of regret that decision, but I don't think I could now. I've got rid of checklists again, but I could have at this point. I think I started using the Monday to Friday. When did I start? These are literally my favourite thing. I love just pulling that bit of foil in. But yeah, I adore this kit, and I think it's really pretty. This kit's from Sadie's Stickers, but yeah, I'm not sure about the no white spaciness of it. But yeah, lots of Vader. I actually finished Vader this day. I finished everything. I did not take listing photos. I think I took them the next day, to be fair. Yeah, there we go, listing photos again. Back to a plannerface kit. This one was in the plannerface and strawberry lime designs bundle. I love doing foil wiggles on this camera. The lights just make it beautiful. Yeah. I don't really know what to say about this week. It was a busy week. I was working the weekend again, wasn't I? Yeah. I just seem to be working every other weekend at the moment. And it was an awful weekend at work, but yeah, didn't even fill in my to-do list. That's it. Seems like a really short 2 months. How was that 2 months? So, favourite kit. I love this one. I love this, but I don't think it's my favourite. Oh, I love... No. 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 It's one of these three, all of which are plannerface. I think it's probably this one, which is the first week in this planner. Or is it? I don't know. I really like this week as well. I think it's probably this one, mostly because I love my overlays. So yeah, I think I've got to go with this one. So yeah, which was your favourite week in this planner? Have you had a good couple of months? These last few months have gone really quickly. I'm trying to work out why this was so short, but I'm sure it will have been like 8 weeks. Yeah, it was 8 weeks. It didn't feel like 8 weeks when I was flicking through. But yeah, this is my favourite spread. I think there's a plan with me for this video in my channel, which I will link up in the cards. I'll try and link some of the videos, but you can only link 5 per video. So I'll link 5 of the, which might be enough actually. Anyway, I'll link the plan with me for any of these spreads. Yep, check out those shops in the links down below. So plannerface, strawberry lime designs, my shop for the overlays, Away with the Fairies, plannerface again, plannerface, and Sadie's Stickers. They will all be linked down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like down below which your favourite week is, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!